The wrestler for Explode 2017. And guys, so I told you I'm gonna be doing a update video of the snow, but first you have to see this. Okay guys, so I told you I'm gonna be doing an update video of the snow, and the snow just stopped like an hour ago or two, and now it started, but that's not the point. So guys, the update video is gonna be about the snow, and the snow been going on since probably 4 o'clock, guys. Yeah, probably since 4 o'clock, and it just been getting worse and worse and worse. But there's a loaf of snow. Take a look. A loaf. See? Okay, so there's a lot of snow outside, and I really wanted to play in it. So, and the cars are full of snow. And guys, so wait, then that was a ladder 43 or engine 43. They didn't even make one single noise, guys. And I can't play in it because these people let their dogs poop and pee everywhere. You don't know where you're stepping in, so what you're stepping in, because it's so deep. And guys, these cars are getting stuck in the snow, like literally. The cars are getting stuck in the snow. And the cars are slippery in the snow. And it's pretty much for my first update. Is it? And the cars are full of snow. Why are you buttholes driving so fast? Okay, guys, so that's pretty much the end of my update 1 video. So hope you like this video. Subscribe for more. Subscribe for updates videos of the snow. And guys, just by the way, we don't have no school today, so that's why I'm doing it at 1:36. Okay guys, hope you like the video. Subscribe for update 1 of the snow. Goodbye.